Do you hear that sound? If I was a redneck, as some of my friends are, or call it what you may, an old-time Vermonter, Trumper, whatever, they would say right now there'd be death and destruction and ear-piercing noises because I'm right underneath a huge windmill on top of Burke Mountain. Funny, I don't see any dead birds laying around. Probably the cleanup crew comes up here twice a day or something. And I'm just kidding. Some of their arguments are the crazed, most crazed. I don't want that in my backyard. Well, I love it in my backyard. Grandpa's Knob in Castleton, Hubbardton, was the first commercial windmill ever made in the United States. And it was huge. It generated enough electricity for all of Rutland in the 40s.